about 4 years ago. My son Zach came home from Franklin High School and said that there was a program at the Career Center that he was interested in checking out. So we came out for the the orientation night, where you got to go around and check out all the different classes and see what was interesting. And we had our first stop in the robotics laboratory, and I was a little apprehensive at first. His father was very interested, and Zach was very interested, and they kind of talked me into it, and we went for it. I think the deciding factor for us was it was robotics or electrician work, and he was going to learn both in the robotics field, and that the cost to go to college and learn what he was going to learn at the Career Center was way more expensive outside of high school than what it would have been going through the program here.
The program pretty much used the Amatrol systems. It was very self-paced, it was very manageable. You learned a lot of good stuff like hydraulics and your pneumatics behind me, your electrical, your PLC, your robotics, and at the end of the program you actually got certified for robotics.
Now that we're on the outside after his senior year, getting very close to graduation, the company that he now works for today actually came to the school to recruit students into their apprenticeship program. But he wanted to partake at the program, and he interviewed, and he did really well, and they hired him. He was 1 out of 5, I believe, to participate in the program. And here we are 2 years after that even, so 4 years have passed very quickly.
So far, I have completed my associate's degree at Sinclair, accompanied with FESTO. And so FESTO pretty much pays for you to go and get your associate's degree. In return, they ask that you offer 2 years of work after your associate's degree.
And as a parent, I've watched him grow over the last 4 years, not only from what he was able to accomplish at the Career Center, but also through the apprenticeship program, through Sinclair and through FESTO.
I've definitely opened up a lot more. If you were to tell me that I would be sitting here doing a full-on interview 4 years ago, I would have been like, yeah, maybe not.
The Career Center is an excellent place for students to come and learn hands-on skills that they will not learn in a college. Not that a college isn't the next step, but it definitely prepares them for that working world or for moving on to a college education. And I'm very proud of what he's accomplished, and I don't think that it would have been achievable had it not been for the program that he attended here at the Career Center.